Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fade out audio in Premiere Pro. So let's begin. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Premiere Pro, and here you can see that I have selected a video with the background music. So let me go here, you can see that. So I want to fade out, so you simply need to select this box first and click on Shift 7, and then you need to search here for exponential fade. As you can see that you simply need to hold that and put at the end of the video. Okay, so now you can see that it is exponentially fading, and if you want you can add constant gain at the start of the video as well, but in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use the fade out. So this is a simple process. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, please like to this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more future videos, and if you want to work with me you can check out the description of this video. Thank you, have a good day.